long haven't you gone to the Green Park? Spend time listening to the birds singing, the sounds of leaves falling, or listening to the sounds of life? Today at EGA Academy, we, the global little kids, will begin the journey to listen to the sounds of nature at Hanoi Botanical Garden. We listen to understand and act. As you know, if we listen carefully, we will discover hundreds of different voices of nature.
I hear the sound of water, the sound of stone dropping in water. I hear the sound of the bees rumbling. I hear the murmur of water. I hear the sound of wind whispering through the trees. I hear the sound of leaves.
To listen, to understand, and be in tune with nature. We are in harmony with nature by keeping our surroundings green, clean, and beautiful.